Hi, welcome back to the Hiking Outdoor Family channel. Today we're going to take you to 3 amazing spots in the Slaughter Beach, Delaware area. First, we're going to do some bird watching and check out the DuPont Nature Center. Next, we'll explore the Slaughter Bay Beach. Lastly, we'll hike the Saltmarsh Preserve. Stay tuned to the end so you don't miss any of these beautiful places. And before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We've just arrived at the DuPont Nature Center. The Nature Center is open April through September from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Even when the center is closed for the fall and winter, the observation deck is open from dusk to dawn each day for bird watching. The DuPont Nature Center has been recognized as one of the best places on the East Coast to observe the shorebird migration. The Nature Center is located along the Atlantic Flyway, a major migratory route for birds. The views looking out to where the river meets the Delaware Bay are just stunning. We've gone inside the visitor center. In here, you're going to find interactive exhibits, educational displays, and staff who are happy to answer all your questions about the local wildlife. There's even a live feed of the observation deck, so you can see what's happening outside in real time. There's lots of information about horseshoe crabs. There's some tanks in here with small fish and also with horseshoe crabs in them, so children would love looking at stuff like that. Okay, so we've explored the visitor center. Now we're back outside on the observation deck, which offers a breathtaking panoramic view of the marshes and the Delaware Bay. This is really the perfect spot for bird watching. And while we were here, there was lots of people set up with scopes and cameras to observe different birds. While we were on the observation deck, we could see several cormorants sitting on posts. We could see gulls on the beach area. We could also see an osprey working on their nest. So just in the few minutes that we were here, we had lots of interesting bird observations. So we've left the DuPont Nature Center and we just took a short drive to the public beach access area for Slaughter Beach, Delaware. We're about to make our way down to the beach, but we just stopped for a second to look at this interesting sign about horseshoe crabs. The one thing you'll notice about Slaughter Beach is that it's a very peaceful, uncrowded shoreline. This is more of a natural beach area. It's along the bay. It's perfect for those who just want to bird watch and kind of escape the hustle of busier beach places. On the day we visited, the beach was so quiet. It was just us and the birds, and it was really beautiful. So Slaughter Beach in the Delaware Bay is best known for its horseshoe crabs. This is one of the best places to witness the annual horseshoe crab spawning event. Like I said, we're hoping to film this for you. It hasn't happened yet, but hopefully soon. And as you explore the beach, you can see lots of pieces and parts of dead horseshoe crabs, which is pretty fascinating to look at. While exploring Slaughter Beach, we found lots of whelk pods. Whelks are those long spiral-shaped seashells that you find on the beach, and they lay their eggs in this casing that contains about 200 small pouches, and each pouch has about 99 eggs. And they usually get anchored on the bottom of the ocean. So what happens is they'll, especially during the winter or spring months, they'll wash up on the beach. Okay, so now we've left the public beach area of Slaughter Beach, and right across the street from the public beach area is the Marvel Saltmarsh Preserve. This is over a 100-acre tract of beautiful tidal salt marsh, and it has a boardwalk so you can explore it. While we were walking along the boardwalk, we heard so many different bird songs. We could see osprey out in the marsh. Really a small boardwalk, but a very beautiful one to explore. It's a way to really see this unique salt marsh area. A really cool feature of this little preserve is that as you walk along the boardwalk, there's a number of binoculars and observation scopes built in that you can use to observe birds and creatures out in the marsh. I thought that was really cool. Thank you so much for watching our video about Slaughter Beach. We hope you enjoyed the DuPont Nature Center, the Slaughter Bay Beach, and then the Saltmarsh Preserve. This is a really beautiful spot in Delaware, and check it out if you're ever in the area. Please remember to like and subscribe if you're able to. Thanks for all your support.